Welcome back to Weetzer's Whiskey and Watches. So I got a pretty good one today. We're going cheap. We're just gonna go cheap. I guess you can see my bourbon today, but I'm gonna go with some Old Grandad. It's a rye, but it's bonded, so it's 100 proof. So, and these bottles go for probably around 22 to 25 bucks a piece. So not too shabby. We got a special treat today that was sent. We're gonna garnish this with some homemade honey that was sent from a viewer and a subscriber that is cured in whiskey caskets or whiskey barrels, I guess. So man, I tried this stuff. It's fantastic. And since the Old Grandad has a pretty good flavor of cinnamon in it, I thought cinnamon honey should go really good. I'm going to use just the Angostura bitters and just a couple dashes of that, the Collins cherries, soaked in bourbon, of course, and then my little surprise, we're gonna smoke this thing with a cinnamon stick. So we'll just smoke the glass and then we'll enhance the cinnamon flavor a little more. And I figured this would be a great combination. So, and then today since we're going with cheaper whiskey, we're gonna go with a cheaper watch. I'm gonna do a Timex, but a Timex that you guys probably haven't heard of or seen. It's pretty rare. And it's from their luxury division, so it's an automatic movement. Wonderful watch. I wear this watch quite a bit. It's a chunkster, it's a chunky watch. So let's review it and let's get to making this drink. All right, as always, let's start out with some ice in our stir glass or our stir container, and we'll probably only go with about 6 cubes. We want to get that dilution going really good. Since this is 100 proof, we kind of 6 or 7 right there. All right, let's put this back. I got a high spot right here. This board doesn't want to sit still. All right, we didn't even open this yet, or I didn't. So let's get this Old Grandad christened. All right. Ooh, that's a great sound. Hey, check out this. Look at this. I got a shot glass that stands up with the horns deer head. I think it's from Jägermeister, which is pretty nasty, but the shot glass is awesome. So we're gonna go with 1.5 ounces of Old Grandad's. 1.5. All right. We are going to do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. 1, 2. We are going to, this honey, I gotta tell you, is just simply amazing. Some people come up with the greatest things, man. But how can you go wrong with this stuff? We're gonna do 1/2 ounce. But what I'm gonna do is I measured it already, so we're gonna use this dropper. And we are just gonna drizzle that in there. Oh, got it up on the top. Look at that. This is gonna be so good. But whiskey cured honey, how does that get any better? I was so excited when I saw this. Plus when I tasted it, oh man. So usually 1 little scoop of that is about 1/2 ounce, which I measured earlier today. So, and then we will stir. For a little longer, and we are going to get one of these cinnamon sticks that I stole from the wife's cupboard. I'm going to break it in half if I can. I guess not. Guess we get a littler cinnamon stick. Let's take this whole lid off here. Just want one of these small guys. There we go. All right, broke that in half. Put the rest back in there. What we're gonna do is just take this, rest it right there. We're gonna torch this bad boy. Let's get some fire out of this. That's what wood coasters are good for, right? Let's get this thing to burn and smoke. Perfect. All right, let's put her down. Let's fill that up. There we go. Working perfect. All right, let's clean up our mess as that's curing. Looks like we got a good smoke going in there. All right, don't throw this in the woods. You start a fire, just like that. Put the cube in. Oh man, that smells delicious. Now we do the pour. Man, oh man, it smells so good. I think that honey is going to be a really good accent to this. Nice pour. All right, we're not done yet. Top this bad boy with a couple of bourbon cherries. Stems. And there you have it. Smoked cinnamon. Old granddad. Man, oh man, I wish you guys could smell this. Well, there she is. All right, let's give her a taste. Now that it's done smoking, you can just right away, even the whiskey, without the cinnamon enhancement, you can just smell the notes. There's caramels, there's little vanillas in there. It's obviously a sweet whiskey, so let's give it a shot. Oh, that's really good. Oh, that honey, just the sweetness you needed for that. That's really good. Oh, man, great job on the honey. And it's pretty smooth. This is a really good, cheap whiskey. There's nothing wrong with this stuff. I think that cinnamon smoke in there enhanced it tons. That is really good. What a great old fashioned. Looks like we got a delivery going up behind us. There's FedEx. Man, oh man. Man, nothing wrong with that. All right. Like I said, we're going to go do a cheaper whiskey this time. We're going to do a cheaper watch this time. So let's review this Timex and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, there she is, my Timex. This model number here is a T2M514. Normally comes with a stainless steel strap or a bracelet, so I took that off because it's pretty heavy. So I put on a green, dark forest green leather strap on it that's really comfortable. This case diameter is 43 millimeters. Pretty good size watch, a little bigger than the Seiko SKX. The case thickness, 15 millimeters. This is a chunky watch, but it feels really good on your wrist. So I don't mind those bigger watches sometimes. The bandwidth is 20 millimeters. Dial color, of course, is white. The calendar on that thing in the upper left right there, that's a switchback or a snapback. So it goes all the way through 30 and it gets 31 and then it comes back down to 1. I'll show you in the video here. Let's see, it apparently weighs like 4 ounces. So I convert that to grams. I'll do the math later, I guess. Pretty heavy. So it's got a Seagull ST2505 38 joule automatic movement in it. So it almost has like a tourbillon effect, or with the skeletal or open heart is what you want to call it. Screw down crown, which is really cool. So, and plus it winds and hacks. So, and a water resistant depth of 100 meters. But this is the Timex luxury division, and you don't hear about these very often. And I've had this watch for quite a while, and I tell you what, I love it. I wear it all the time with, without any worries about, it keeps great time. Like I said, it has a 40-hour power reserve on it. Nothing wrong with this watch at all. I just enjoy it a lot. They're expensive, no. You can probably get them for under $200, maybe somewhere around 150 range most of the time, but that's if you can find them. They're kind of rare. They haven't been out very long, but But, you know, a great watch, just a great watch. Timex has been around a long time, just like this old granddad. So we'll we'll keep going, and I'll show you some more of these videos, and we'll call her good. Well, there you have it. Another great whiskey, another great watch, another great cocktail, and kudos to my viewer that, oh man, I'm so impressed with this honey. This is absolutely delicious. Thank you so much. You better send another one, because this will probably not last much longer. So really appreciate that a lot. If you guys have anything you want to send my way, or you want me to try something out, please in the comments put below, hey, try this, try that, try this combo, do this. I'll do it all. It doesn't matter to me. So, but here it is. Cheers to the old granddad cinnamon smoked old fashioned. Oh man, gosh, that is so good. Everybody, cheers. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna finish these cherries. So yummy. All right.